I'm just the pieces of the man I used to be. So many brothers are raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I have facing this alone for much so long. Oh, I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and what struggle it would be. In my stronger state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I went wrong. Oh, too much love will kill you if you can't get off your mind. Forgetting the lover and the love you leave behind. Yun lang. Kasi hindi na natapos, hanggang doon na lang. Para kay Doy lang yun. Si Doy, nakatulog na sa kantang yun. Okay. Thank you mga kabayan.